In front of me is Motorola G75, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. Then to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Select Consent, and now to access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. Click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Safe Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!